Hi, this is Sharmin here. Today I'm going to teach you brain. So, what's the structure and function of brain? So, brain, a swallowing part of nervous system at the top of the spinal cord and inside the skull is called the brain. So, you can see this is a brain. So, brain is the manager of nervous system, and the brain is divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. So, let's first level it. This part is called cerebrum. All right, cerebrum. 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 All right, and next part, this part. All right, this part is called corpus callosum. Corpus callosum. Corpus callosum. CALLOSUM. You need to remember also spelling. All right, corpus callosum. And another part. So this is this part. This area is forebrain, and this part is hindbrain. All right, and here this is a spinal cord. This part is spinal cord. So SPINAL, spinal cord, this part. So every single part is function is different, right? And this is cerebellum. This is cerebellum. All right, this is cerebrum, and this is cerebellum. Cerebellum. LLUM. So this is cerebellum. All right, and here is a thalamus. This part is thalamus. Oh my god, it's very difficult to write, guys. It's take time. So thalamus. So this is a midbrain, and this part is called midbrain. This is a middle place. You just remember like that way. Sometimes you will be smart, or you just try to remember your idea. This is a midbrain. This is a forebrain. This is a fore. This is a not the front side. All right, forebrain, and this part is hind. All right, this is a backside, your backside, and it's a little bit bottom part. This is a hindbrain. All right, so all leveling is done. So now I'm going to start with first forebrain. So this part, this area, so this is the largest part of the brain, is a cerebrum. All right, and which consists of two completely divided lobes, and this is a left and right. All right, so this is the largest area, and they are separated by deep follows, and these are the cerebrum hemispheres, and though there is a deep furrow between two lobes and bunch of nerves named the corpus callosum. The right hemisphere controls the left side of the body, and the left hemisphere controls the right side of the body. So this part of the brain has a folded and reclad surface. It is covered by a membrane called meninges, meninges, and the left lobes of the cerebrum is comparatively well developed. So this cerebrum is also called the forebrain. So this is I'm already told you. And so what's the cerebrum? So cerebrum is the higher organ which receives nerve impulses and sends a response to the various organs of the body, and cerebrum is the center for body movement, for every activity and sensation and conscious activities and speech, vision, hearing, intelligence, memory, thinking, will, and activity of voluntary muscles are controlled by the cerebrum. So this part, if here is some problem, if damage or something like that if happen, so that person, they didn't remember anything, that problem. All right, so it helps in taking decisions and in responding to stimulation. So this is the part. All right, and midbrain, this part. So this is a midbrain area. So upper part of the hindbrain is the midbrain, or it's a breeze between the forebrain, and this is a middle area. All right, forebrain and hindbrain. This is the hindbrain and this is a forebrain. So here is a midbrain. So it's a breeze between the forebrain and hindbrain, and there is a cylindrical part located at the back part of the midbrain called the pons. So this is this part is called pons. I'm just writing, then you see and remember. So, and it forms a connection between the cerebellum and medulla oblongata. So here is a medulla oblongata. All right, I'm not writing. And its function is to coordinate an activity of various muscles and maintain balance. So it also plays an important role in vision and hearing. And last one, this is a hindbrain. All right, so hindbrain, so that is this consists cerebellum. All right, cerebellum, pons, and medulla oblongata. So cerebrum, first I'm starting here. So this part, cerebellum is located at the back part of the pons. So it's divided into right and left lobes, and its exterior part is composed of gray matter and the inner part of white matter. The cerebellum controls muscle stress, so coordinates and movement and balance and control and activity of voluntary muscles. And pons, and this area is pons. So this area is pons. All right, so it's located in between the medulla oblongata and midbrain. So this is a midbrain area. Oh my goodness, this is a midbrain area. I'm using another color. So this is a midbrain area. Is there any other color? So this is a midbrain area, and here medulla oblongata is the most posterior part of the brain. So its front part is connected with pons and back to the spinal cord. All right. So there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves extending from the cerebrum and medulla oblongata, and which 8 pairs of nerve originate from the medulla oblongata, and these nerves control control the function of the heart, lungs, pharynx, and swallowing of food. So these nerves are also associated with functions such as hearing, balancing, and 12 pairs of cranial nerves originate from the brain and spread to different origins: mouth cavity or buccal cavity, tongue, eye, nose, ear. So these nerves are sensory or motor or mixed in nature. So guys, that's all. Thank you very much. I'm just showing little bit before I go. 3D shape here, so you just see little bit here. So all right, that's all. Thank you very much.